it's Emilia here. Welcome to another MDF Tuesday. Today I will take a gorgeous MDF tag base and turn it into a small gift or gift tag, which can be used for anyone who loves steampunk or industrial style. To start, I'm choosing the paper, which can be my background. Today I'm not painting the base, I will just adhere the paper, and the paper is from Fortune collection from Stamperia. As usual, I will try to link to the products I'm using in the description box below the video. So I have cut out the paper shape. Now I'm cutting out the hole which is on the top of my tag, and the hole must be slightly larger than the hole inside the small ring. The ring will be on the top. This is just a decorative piece, and later I will put a piece of fabric through that hole to finish off my project. To adhere the paper you can use gel medium or strong glue, and now I'm inking all the edges using coffee color of the ink, and later I will also add a little bit of black, but this will be at the end of the video. And now I am choosing my embellishments. I really like those wooden pipes and I want to create like a feature with it. So I took them out of the sheet, and I had to cut into smaller pieces, I think maybe one or two, to create the shape I wanted, but yeah, great fun to actually playing with them. And I also took some chipboard gears which I'm going to ink. I will be inking only one side, adding just a little bit of ink to them, and also I will add some stamping on top of that ink, just to, because they are very plain, just to make them a little bit more interesting. I'm using the same stamp to add some stamping on the paper, on the background for the composition, and then I will start creating the composition. First, I'm adhering all pipes using strong glue from Stamperia. You can also use gel medium, and then I will create layers with the gears. finish off my tag, I will use a piece of fabric and string on the top, and then I'm going to ink the edges with the black ink. And today, instead of using the white acrylic paint, I will be using black acrylic paint mixed with water, adding tiny black splats. And this will be it. I hope you will find this video interesting and inspiring, and I would love to see something you will create inspired by this video. If you will, please tag me on social media, Emilia Sieradzan, so I can find you and see what you have created. As usual, thank you so much for joining me today. Thank you for all the lovely comments I receive and all the love from you. It means a lot to me. Thanks a lot. Have a lovely creative day. Bye bye.